A journey towards excellence beyond expectations. Creating aesthetic designs to enhance product value. Delivering packaging solutions across industries. PR Packaging Limited. Born out of the vision of a young graduate from the prestigious Sri Ram College of Commerce, New Delhi, PR Packaging Limited was set up in 1990 with EPS manufacturing and packaging as its primary offering. 1997 turned out to be a year of vital restructuring with the launch of printed cartons. The company savored sustained success in this segment as well, and to accelerate the pace of this growth, a brand new manufacturing facility conforming to world-class standards was developed in 2006. In 2015, infrastructure was enhanced to foray in the laminate tube segment. Being a family-owned business with a truly professional approach, all daily operations of the unit are headed by a qualified team, including the CEO, plant head and department heads. With a parallel and strong focus, Mr. Ravinder Gupta, the Managing Director, along with his two sons, Lakshya Gupta, engineering graduate from the USA, and Vishesh Gupta, engineering graduate from IIT Kharagpur, formed the core team to spearhead the innovations, R&D, and the marketing departments. The company is geared up for many positive changes, including an innovation center for developing exceptional concepts and designs to take one step ahead towards its vision of consistently revolutionizing the packaging industry of the world. As one of the fastest growing companies in India, PR Packagings is strategically located in the prominent industrial belt of the National Capital Region, near Faridabad on NH2, the Delhi-Agra Highway, just 50 kilometers away from the Delhi International Airport. Spread out in a sprawling total land area of 9 acres, including built-up area of 250,000 square feet. The company has also acquired the adjacent land for future expansion. We take pride in stating that we are the only company in India to offer a one-stop solution for your packaging needs for cartons, liner cartons, rigid boxes, labels and laminate tubes. Serving an elaborate clientele across industries such as mobile phones, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, liquor, food and others, PRPL exports over 20% of its products overseas. The laminate segment hosts an in-house printing facility with a wide variety of finishing and foiling options. Tubes of different diameters are manufactured on fully automatic machines imported from Europe, capable of online capping and heading. Contained in a certified Class D 1000 micron clean room, tubes are manufactured with the realization of their importance as a primary packaging. All quality tests have been well laid down to maintain the standards set by the client. In the carton segment, a Heidelberg 7-color printing press with automatic ink control has been recently set up, adding to the 6-color UV Mitsubishi and 5-color KBA presses. The company has an automatic dry film lamination facility and fully automatic die cutters from Bob ST with online stripping facility. Equipping each process with multiple machines allows all timelines to be maintained, capable of pasting almost every type of flute, including board-to-board pasting. The flute laminators are installed in areas with controlled moisture levels. To provide quality packaging for items like ghee and spices, PR Packaging Limited has now installed an advanced Hyber and Schroeder facility, which can use different types of liners and perform any type of window patching. In addition, 2 automatic rigid box machines capable of manufacturing rigid boxes of different sizes and varied types, have been set up in a completely dust-proof and air-conditioned zone. With this, the company hopes to cater high-end luxury packaging segments. PR Packaging Limited always stands committed to the quality of its products, and in accordance, the production processes are always upgraded through an efficient quality assurance system set up as per global standards. The Quality Lab is equipped with latest quality control tools capable to carry out various tests needed to ensure 100% quality to customer for every product. One of the few carton manufacturing companies in India to be certified with the following quality accreditations: ISO 9001-2008 certification, BRC IOP Category B for food packaging, ISO 14001 certification. The company has installed underground scrap conveyor system to facilitate efficient waste management. There is a 35,000 square feet warehouse for stocking inventory and finished goods. For timely deliveries, PR Packaging's Private Limited has its own fleet of transport. The company has manpower of 450, including skilled and trained employees. Regular training to employees is provided for upgrading their knowledge and enhancing their skill sets. The company has a separate canteen area away from manufacturing section. Regular health checkups. Through its endeavors, integrating innovative technology and human values, PR Packaging Limited has been playing its part in fulfilling this grand ambition.